Good morning, Beth. So good to be back with you again today. Today's question is like this. I've been wondering, how can DISC enhance the effectiveness of your sales and marketing efforts?
Great question, Eliyahu. The secret is in understanding your own DISC style so you can understand the DISC style of others and bridge to where they are and provide them with what they need. Let me give you an example. I'm here in the plaza at Fairlington Community Center. Every Sunday, there's a farmer's market here. And so a variety of vendors are selling fruits and vegetables to people from here in our community. So those purveyors have put some thought into how they want to present what they have to offer. They make it very visually engaging. There's a pathway that the market manager has established that takes you from one stand to the next. So they've put a lot of thought into what the needs of the audience is, the people who might come and buy those fruits and vegetables. Some of them, yes, are definitely looking for some goodies to eat for the week. And they're also looking for an opportunity to engage with a broader community. And so all of that went into the design of the market. And you can think about it when you go to any kind of store. And it's the same kind of thing with DISC. Let me give you an example. Someone who might be an I, that's an influencing style, is going to be very much focused on collaborating with other people. They're people-oriented. I, the influencing style, is the second style of the DISC model. Let me explain all four briefly before I go into more detail. The D stands for driven. Those are people who are very results-oriented. They like to keep things moving. The I, as I mentioned, is influencing. Very collaborative, people-oriented. Relationships are important to them. The S style is supporting. People who like others, they're relationship-oriented, but they're kind of quiet. Sometimes it's hard to know what they're thinking or what they really feel. And the C style is conscientiousness. They're people who are very quality-oriented. They often like data. They like some predictability there. Stability is important to them. Getting the task done and getting the task done right. So if someone is an I who's meeting with a prospective client who is an S, they're going to want to take their time and really build that relationship. They don't want to make any fast moves. They really want to take the time to invest in understanding what that person's needs are and what their concerns are as well, so that they can be addressed. And helping that person feel comfortable taking that next step forward. They don't want to be pushed. They want to know that the relationship there takes preeminence. That's important to both I's and S's. So the secret, as I mentioned, is understanding more about yourself so that you can bridge to where other people are and do some really great things for our world. So that's it in a nutshell. I'm glad to talk with you more about what the DISC styles are, help you discover what yours is, and provide you with some techniques so you can really learn to identify quickly what someone else's style might be so you can work effectively with them.